This is Dean and I buy cool stuff. Well, I'm up here at the property. I just pulled up and I think I see a great big garter snake. It's just a garter snake, but let's see if we can see him. There he is. Let's see if he's gonna let me get close to him or not. He's just laying there all chillaxed right now. He had to see me. He's a good sized garter snake. He's probably about as big around as a quarter. I have seen them bigger, but not a lot. See what he's going to do if I try getting up here on him a little bit. He's just going to sit here and stay still. Oh, there he goes. Just a big old garter snake. I got my foot on him now. Just on his tail. He's getting a little irate. Where'd you go? Can't keep up with you that fast. Alright, I'm just going to let him go. I can't think of anything to do with him, but he's very pretty. Probably just shed. He's not nice and shiny looking. Where'd you go now? Very cool looking. He's just going to sit there. Well, apparently he's happy enough to just sit there now. All right, like I always say, God bless you and God bless America. Hope you like seeing the little old garter snake.